Hey guys, that's Rodion Underworld, and today I'm going to talk about the things that I found on North Sentinel Island. I will not talk about the general history of those tribes that live there, because you can easily find, I don't know, dozens of videos regarding this tribe, and also I will not tell about um, the ship that was found a few years ago here on the Sentinel's Island, like this ship, because it's already an old story. Today I'm going to talk about the communications of those tribes that I found, and some other very interesting things there. And before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to my Telegram channel. You can find the content on both platforms that is published on a daily basis. And well, the links will be below, either in the description, either in the comments. Well, we can start our travel to Northern Sentinel Island. Well, overall, this channel is about traveling, but if you will travel to this island, it's highly likely that you will be simply dead, because there lives a tribe that doesn't want to go for the contact with the world, with our world, and they live isolated on this island for, I don't know, thousands of years. And okay, let's begin. So here is the island. It's located in the Indian Ocean near the Andaman's Island. Well, let's get closer, and I will share with you what I have found there. Here, it's the first thing that I have found here. So you can see the lines. Basically, I think that this is the communication roads of the tribe that lives there, and this communication was simply developed by them. So they used this path to walk uh, through it quite often. Yeah. Alternatively, it can be the dry streams of water. Before it was the water streams, but now it is dried. It also can be, but I think that it is communication channels that is used by the tribes. Yeah, and later on I will tell you the where you can find all these locations in the Google Maps, and you can check it yourself. Overall, why I decided to record this video, I just want to share with you the findings. Before it was not possible due to the quality issues of the island that was captured by the satellites. But now the quality is improved, and overall we can simply look at them. So this is the first one, and I have found a couple of few more. So they can be seen here. And for example here. And when it goes nearby the coast, it seems more highly likely as the road, as some kind of path that is used by people, rather than the dried streams of water. It is also can be observed here. So here we go. And another road, one more. And the other thing, very interesting, I think that it can be some kind of internal lake that also can be used by the people there as the reservoir of the water that can be drinked. Here is I'm not sure what it is. It can be some kind of communications. I mean the channel, or it can be I don't know, the trees that like dropped on each other, which can be also used as the shelter by the people there. And overall, of course, we can take a look at each tree on the island and try to find some kind of shelters or even the houses that are built by the Sentinelese. But honestly speaking, I don't want to check every tree, because there are, I don't know, thousands of the trees there, or even dozens of thousands. So let's move forward. Here we go. It's also a bit interesting thing. At least it is unusual that I found here. The next one. It can be, well, it's just a piece of something on the coast. So it can be, yeah, the piece of the tree, or I don't know, where a long stone. But I think that it also can be a boat, a very simple boat that is used by the tribe to, maybe, for example, to catch some fish. I guess that's the main source of the food there that they consume. Here we go. Some more. Here, it's it doesn't seem like a dry water stream. It seems like a road, and quite wide road, and some other interesting object which I completely don't know what is it. I don't know. It could be a swamp or anything else. And the last one, which I found, so it is here. I guess it more looks like some trees that that lays on each other, and that's all. Well, that's all I wanted to share with you for today, and about the coordinates, the links to these locations. Well, I will publish it in my Telegram channel, so you can. I will leave the link in the description or in the comments. And if you want to explore this location on the Google Maps, you can simply check them out and try to find them yourself, or maybe you will find something else that you can share with others. And that's all. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, press like. If you don't like this video, press like, and don't forget to subscribe to the Boss Platforms YouTube and Telegram channel. It was Rodon on the World. Thanks for watching, and bye.